Every programmer in the world starts with this program. In the previous video, we installed Python on our computer. Now it's time to write our first Python program. Don't worry, this is going to be very simple. Open your code editor and create a new file. Name it hello.py. Now inside this file, type the following line: print hello world. This is the famous first program that almost every programmer writes when learning a new language. But what does it actually do? The word print is a Python function. Its job is simple. It tells the computer to display something on the screen. The text inside the quotation marks is the message we want Python to show. So when we run this program, Python reads the code and prints the message to the terminal. Let's run the program. Open the terminal, navigate to your file, and type python hello.py. And just like that, you wrote your first Python program. Congratulations! In the next video, we will learn about Python variables and how computers store information.